Ever wondered why we yawn? It's more than just tiredness. Did you know yawning can be contagious? But why is that? Yawning is linked to brain cooling and oxygen intake. Interesting, right? But it's also a social cue, signaling empathy and connection. Studies show that seeing someone yawn makes you more likely to yawn. This phenomenon is called contagious yawning and is fascinating. So next time you yawn, remember, you might just spread it. Yawning connects us in surprising ways. How cool is that?